Tired of juggling multiple kitchen gadgets just to get dinner on the table? Meet the Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1, the ultimate all-in-one solution designed to make cooking faster, easier, and smarter. This isn't just another pressure cooker. It's a Wi-Fi connected culinary powerhouse that combines 10 kitchen essentials into one sleek, modern device. From pressure cooking and slow cooking to rice, yogurt, and even sous vide, the Pro Plus handles it all with ease. And with app control, you can start, monitor, and release steam right from your phone. Whether you're a busy parent, a tech-savvy foodie, or a meal prep pro, this smart cooker is about to become your favorite kitchen companion. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience. It's time to unlock a new level of cooking freedom with the Instant Pot Pro Plus. All-in-one versatility at its best. At its core, the Instant Pot Pro Plus is a true multi-cooker. With 10-in-1 functionality, it replaces several kitchen appliances: a pressure cooker, a slow cooker, a rice cooker, a steamer, a sauté pan, a yogurt maker, a warmer, a canning pot, sous vide, and NutriBoost. This level of versatility means you can use the Pro Plus to prepare everything from tender roasts and slow-cooked stews to homemade yogurt and perfectly cooked grains. For health-conscious home chefs or those cooking for a family, this device offers outstanding flexibility. Smart cooking with Wi-Fi control. The defining feature of the Pro Plus is its Wi-Fi connectivity. Through the Instant Brands Connect app, available for iOS and Android, users can control and monitor the cooker remotely. You can wirelessly start and monitor cooking progress, release steam right from your phone. Whether you're a busy parent, a tech-savvy foodie, or a meal prep pro, this smart cooker is about to become your favorite kitchen companion. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience. It's time to unlock a new level of cooking freedom with the Instant Pot Pro Plus. 24 hours stay warm capability and delay start feature add to the scheduling flexibility. Intuitive controls and touch interface. The Instant Pot Pro Plus doesn't just rely on the app. It also features a large, easy-to-read digital display with sensitive touch controls. Everything is logically laid out and responsive, making it suitable for beginners and experienced Instant Pot users alike. One particularly helpful upgrade is the one-touch steam release button. Located on the control panel, it lets you release pressure safely without reaching over hot steam valves, a major safety enhancement over older models. Cooking power and performance. Equipped with 1,500 watts of power, the Pro Plus offers 20% more heating efficiency compared to many other electronic pressure cookers. This translates into faster preheat times, better searing and sautéing, and more responsive temperature control. This is especially useful for recipes requiring a good sear or sauté stage before pressure or slow cooking. The aluminum core of the 3-ply stainless steel inner pot ensures even heating and excellent heat retention. Additionally, the NutriBoost feature improves cooking results by agitating food during pressure cooking, which enhances flavor extraction and texture, especially in broths and soups. Premium inner pot with silicone handles. Unlike standard models, the Pro Plus comes with a cookware-grade inner pot. This stainless steel pot features stay-cool silicone handles, making it much easier to remove from the cooker without using mitts. Even better, it's oven-safe, stovetop-compatible, and dishwasher-safe. You can sauté on your stove, then transfer it directly to the Instant Pot, or vice versa. That makes cleanup easier and reduces the number of pots and pans used for a single meal. Thoughtful design and build. The Pro Plus boasts a matte black finish with a sleek, modern look that blends well in any kitchen. At 15.5 pounds, it's a bit heavier than some models, but still manageable. The overall build feels sturdy and durable, especially the lid, inner pot, and touchscreen interface. It measures 13.2 inches deep, 13 inches wide, and 12.7 inches high, making it compact enough to fit on most kitchen countertops without dominating the space. Safety first. The Instant Pot brand is known for safety, and the Pro Plus continues that tradition with over 10 built-in safety features, including overheat protection, safe locking lid, steam release protection, and automatic pressure and temperature regulation. This ensures peace of mind while cooking under pressure, even for beginners who may be intimidated by pressure cookers. Easy cleanup and maintenance. The Instant Pot Pro Plus is designed with convenience in mind. Key components are dishwasher safe, including the inner pot, pressure cooking rack, and the lid. This reduces post-cooking cleanup time significantly and encourages daily use without hassle. The stainless steel surfaces also resist staining and odors better than non-stick coated alternatives. App integration and recipe access. One of the highlights of the Pro Plus is the integration with the Instant Brand's Connect app, which provides step-by-step guidance for over 800 smart recipes, timed alerts and prompts, cooking presets, and automatic updates and enhancements. Whether you're making chili, steamed fish, or yogurt, the app offers a smooth user experience that pairs modern convenience with culinary creativity. For beginners, this is a godsend. For experienced cooks, it's a time-saving tool. Pros and cons. Pros: 10-in-1 appliance replaces multiple kitchen tools, remote control via app and Wi-Fi, fast cooking with 1500 watts of power, premium 3-ply stainless steel inner pot with silicone handles, touchscreen with one-touch steam release, dishwasher-safe components, over 10 built-in safety features, supports stovetop and oven use for inner pot, and access to 800 smart recipes. Cons: heavier than previous models, 15.5 pounds, slight learning curve with the app features, and requires Wi-Fi and app setup for full functionality. Final verdict: should you buy it? The Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1 is a standout product in the world of smart cooking. With its combination of powerful hardware, intuitive interface, Wi-Fi connectivity, and smart recipe integration, it's clear that Instant Brands has refined and evolved the multi-cooker concept for modern households. If you're looking to streamline your kitchen, cook smarter, not harder, and enjoy a wider range of meals with less effort, the Instant Pot Pro Plus is an excellent investment. It's especially ideal for tech-savvy cooks, busy families, health-conscious individuals, and meal prep pros. This smart cooker is not just an appliance. It's a smarter way to cook.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.